Alright, you welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. As a matter of fact, I say a big welcome to you. If today is your first day you're coming to this channel, I say a big welcome to you. And if you're a returning subscriber, a big welcome to you also. All I tell you guys, just make sure you copy the link and share to everybody. And for you, it's your first time, make sure also you do the right thing by subscribing and click on the notification button so that you can always get being notified. You know what I mean? Retalk. If your man, the only man wants to make ladies look beautiful, that is my intention. You know what I mean? So real quick, today I want to say something very beautiful to you all. This is a weekend, happy new weekend to you. Okay, a lot of questions be dropped for me on comment box that I can't really get in hand to not right now, but I know any moment from now I will be answering those questions. Okay, I just want to tell you a simple tips that you can really use to clear your acne, because one of the questions that I just peeped at it, and that's why I'm doing this video. Though I'm heading to the office right now, but let me just tell you five recipe you can use. Number one, if you want to clear your acne, let's put it this way, real quick, on a body wash or face wash or whatever you want to make. All this you can make them unify one of it. Like I can switch a body wash to a face wash to a body wash, and it's still gonna do the right thing. Hence, I'm using it from the face, from the head to the whole body, so it's still gonna do the right thing. Are you getting any hyperpigmentation, inflammatories, or how you wanna call it? A lot of people having all these things on the skin, they find it difficult to relate with people. So let's cure this real quick. 5 recipe. First of all, get your black soap. Right? Your black soap, mentate, or any way you can do it, just dissolve it and you put your lime water. You hear me? You put your lime water. About 2 lime, just squeeze the water inside it. Now, yes. Then you put inside, blend it. You put your propylene glycol. Yes, put your propylene glycol, and then again you put your aloe vera gel. When you put your aloe vera gel, then you put your a little lactic acid, just small. Okay, while we putting this aloe vera gel to calm it down, you hear me? Then, because all what we've put down, I tell you, if you want to know much about this, you can talk to me on WhatsApp, okay? But all what we've pushed now, all what we've put inside now, they look ash to you, but aloe vera gel has calmed them down. And so let's put a little bit lightning, yeah? So you just put your lemon clear oil, just put a little of it. Are you getting it? Then put a little bit of your alpha arbutin also. Are you getting it? Yes. Then you can put a very small of Famadam. Yes, and Famadam just small from the tube. Then you make a hell blend of it. You blend to the car. Serious blend. We gonna know about how we say we blend something like that. You blend it to the car. Blend it. I'm feeling that this thing is really bland. So after that, you test it. You try to test it with your whatever you use, your testing tube, to see what it becomes, to see the level. So after that, now how do you do the final aspect of it? Well, after you finish blending, you put all this I've just mentioned, then you put it inside a cup or a bowl. Then you keep it inside the fridge. You keep inside the fridge for 1 day. You understand? To let it settle. Then after that, when it's settled down, then you filter all of them. You see the water that is going to come out not going to look black anymore. Though it's going to look foamish. Yeah. It's still going to lather very well. The oil is not going to stop it. Then after that, every morning, like first thing in the morning, you use it. Yes, before you sweat, before you do anything, when you wake up in the morning, you use it. If you want to use it as a face wash, if you want to use it as a body wash, you use it. Trust me, before you done with that 1 week, you see your body and like that eczema that said, oh, I ain't gonna do this. I don't want to leave your body. I love your body. You see that eczema, before 1 week, it's dead. It's fade off. You see this ringworm, they say, oh, it's your body they find friendship with. Before y'all see, they dead. You see, they dried up. So a lot of things like we can use to clear all this stuff. So, just stay glued to my TV, you know what I mean? Yeah, you just stay glued to this, real talk. Y'all gonna see all of it. They gonna clear from your body. That's why I tell you, yes. Then again, if you feel, like I told you, you can switch it. This is just an idea. You want to switch it to a body wash. You have to increase some of the recipe by putting some of those items that contains some of those items that that can take off stretch mark. Whatever you can put now, you can put also your ample glutathione. Yes, you can put a little of it, or you can put shalom, because you want this not to take, like I told you, it's a uniform thing. It's not just for only face only. So you can just make it to let this take off all of this. You just put your perfect leg, shining perfect leg. Hence is, you want it to take off your stretch mark as well. Or you can put your crude kinaka. All this I'm telling you just small. You hear me? Put your crude kinaka, so like it will take off your stretch mark. So, but for you to get a perfect result, you do a proper blending. When we say blending, it's not a joke. You blend it. So, and after that, when you keep it in the fridge, let it settle down, then you filter. So that is that. You can start using it. Yes. All right. Once again, that is from AYA Cosmetic Nigeria, heading home. Yes. Heading home. So let's go. Let's go to the right and let's go talk to people at the office. So whatever, anything you don't understand, talk to me. Just talk to me. You got a number on the YouTube platform. Stay blessed. And as much I love making the ladies, the women beautiful, y'all stay blessed. The video is for all y'all.